Start by clicking on Clone Git repository and find ObjectBox-Go. Click OK and wait for it to load. Open. Now we'll need to edit our schema file, so go to Examples, Tasks, Internal, and open task.go. Here we only need to put the sync annotation on a new line to enable our task object for sync. The existing ObjectBox schema for this app is without sync, so now we need to update the schema files. This is done automatically by the generator. To do that, open the terminal, type go generate and copy the path to the task.go file. Now we can start the sync server. For this, we first open the File Explorer and then copy our sync server executable there. Now we simply need to run this executable, providing it with a data model and an authentication option. So sync-server, then --model equals, and here we copy the path to our JSON ObjectBox model file. For simplicity, we opt for no authentication, so type unsecured-no-authentication. Don't forget to allow executing our file by using chmod +x sync-server. And now we can run the server. Finally, we can run the example app, so use go run with the path to main.go of our app. Here's how the command line app looks like. In this video, we only want to create a new task and check that it syncs with the server. Type new, for example, task-go and open the admin UI via a link in the sync server output. And here you can finally see our synced task.